Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I just want to go over, well, first of all, it's 11:13 p.m. on a Sunday, bro. All right, I get it. The video's late, and it's almost Monday. Okay, so I need to make this video because I forgot, because I didn't really trade on Friday actually, because I just didn't just see a good structure that was really to take the trade, but I did. If you watch the last video, exactly happened like I told you guys, right? Left shoulder from that beautiful head, bounced off the purple, but I just didn't see strong continuation. It was just tapering up, so I just knew it was gonna be a choppy way up, and I just didn't want to be in that, so that's fine, especially because I did I do end Fridays earlier, right? So that's fine. But realistically, what to see here from now on, right? I told you guys, right? Like you guys shouldn't have been shorting, right, or having a bias till we saw confirmations, right? Which we basically didn't see the confirmation for a short, so you couldn't be a bearish or you couldn't be biased towards that, right? The scenario of just the market building liquidity, left shoulder head, right shoulder was the scenario to also look out for as well until we had that confirmation of 5-day moving below, but we just didn't have that, right? So let's see from here. Honestly, guys, you can see a move back down to the purple, retest of purple, then move back up, and then keep going up. So that would be ideal to see that. And then 5-day, we would probably bounce off the 5-day right here, then the 20-day, right? So good moves still that can happen. But if we do open higher tomorrow, right, we can take it off of blue entirely. Just make sure that you are careful of this level right here. I'm gonna just mark it up, right? Right, this is an important level that we can close this big cup at. Then of course we're gonna have that handle, right? So something to pay attention to, and then keep moving up. So there's various opportunities to take if you're going up, so you can just be patient, let the market reveal itself. But ultimately, you're becoming a better trader when you understand scenarios like it was on Thursday, right? Understanding the market context. If you literally go back to my Thursday's video, which was like on what, the 7th, 6th, the 5th, right? 5th, 6th. Yeah, if you watch my 5th, the February 5th video, you'll see I exactly highlighted this, right? So, and you can see exactly that's what happened, right? So, it's pretty easy, pretty simple because I understood the market context. And I'm not lying, guys. If you literally just watch back the one previous video before this, you'll see it, right? So yeah, cool. And what to pay attention on the 30-minute as well, right? Oh, the same thing, like 30-minute, like left shoulder head, right shoulder off of purple, beautiful. um and now what to look out for on the 30-minute as well is just left shoulder head, closing of this cup, and then some type of right shoulder. Be careful here because it can be a little choppy because we have all these resistance, right? So just take it on a good risk to reward based on the resistance. And again, if we are still shorting this, right, guys, that's a huge possibility still, right? Because the market can just be building liquidity, right? So very important to understand that to short this, we need to see again the same thing: break left shoulder head, right shoulder right here. Um, uh, I got the yellow down here. Hold on. On the yellow. So these are some key indicators you need to be at: left shoulder head, right shoulder, right shoulder, right shoulder, and then we can start taking out this level right here. So that's the scenario. I'm very tired, but I would also show you intraday, but I just didn't take a trade at all because I just noticed the lack of strong buying, right? It was just tapering up the whole time, and by this time I would have already called it a day, right? So I just understood that it was just not worth it for me and just end the week strong, especially from Thursday, right? So that's pretty much it. So I did call it a early day. That's perfectly fine. It's all about controlling greed, understanding market context and not over trading, right? And just being patient and just waiting for the A quality setups that could possibly set up tomorrow, right? So let's wait tomorrow. Let the market reveal itself. The market will keep revealing itself, right? It's just important to um, just trade as the market develops, right? And right now we're at a pretty good spot where the 5 day, 20 day, 50 day are super close. So we'll get a defining move soon. Um, and let me see the daily chart right here. So yeah, so once we reclaim 5 day, right, with good support, we will really have a strong move up, especially with the inverse cup close, right? The cup and handle, not an inverse cup, a cup close and a handle, right? And then we can test upper Bollinger levels, right? So that's pretty cool. But the key indicators, right, is first reclaiming the moving averages, the 5 day, the 20 day, the 50 day, right? And looking at the Bollinger, you should see the Bollinger moving up in the trend, same thing right here, moving upwards. And then that all indicates first the cup close right here, right? And then the handle that you have to look out for, right? And then the testing of the top Bollinger, right? So that's the key indicator, but level by level, right? If you miss the trade to take it to the cup, that's fine. You could just take it from the handle all the way up to top Bollinger, right? So there's two entries for if you want to go long, right? But again, if you want to go short, you first need to see the breaks again and break down to all this. Oh my God, I just realized my video didn't play. Oh my God, I don't know why, but my video keeps stopping. Like it's just bad. Okay, I'll like redo all this. But yeah, I'm just gonna release this video because it's pretty late. um, but I hope you guys didn't miss too much because my video literally just is like freaking um stuck. What the hell? But yeah, anyway, see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.